Let's talk about how video creation has fundamentally changed and what that means for you. We're not just talking about incremental improvements, we're talking about a paradigm shift in how videos are conceived, created, and shared. For years, making a good video meant investing in expensive cameras that could break the bank, intricate lighting setups that required expertise, and high-quality audio gear to capture crystal-clear sound. It was a significant financial commitment. And then came the editing process, often involving countless hours meticulously piecing together footage, adding effects, and fine-tuning every detail to perfection. This demanded not only time but also a specialized skill set. The process was slow, technical, and undeniably costly, often placing professional quality video production out of reach for most individuals and smaller organizations. The learning curve was steep, and the barriers to entry were high. But now, imagine this. A completely different scenario. You have a brilliant idea for a video, type a few simple sentences describing your vision, and a polished, engaging video appears in minutes, ready to be shared with the world. This is the transformative reality of AI video generation. A total game changer that's democratizing video creation like never before. It's bridging the gap between imagination and execution. The sheer speed and remarkable simplicity of this process are nothing short of revolutionary. What used to take days or weeks can now be accomplished in mere minutes. What once demanded a dedicated team of specialists now takes just you, your laptop, and your boundless imagination. The power is now in the hands of the individual creator. Video creation is finally becoming truly accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skills, budget constraints, or prior experience. Why does this matter so profoundly? Because video is absolutely everywhere. It's the dominant form of communication in the digital age. It shapes how we learn new things, how we entertain ourselves, and how we connect with each other on a personal and professional level. For years, the inherent complexity and prohibitive cost of video production effectively kept many important voices and unique perspectives out of the conversation. But now, AI-powered video tools are rapidly breaking down those long-standing barriers, opening up a world of possibilities for creators of all backgrounds. Now, small businesses can effortlessly create professional-level marketing videos that rival those of major corporations, allowing them to reach a wider audience and compete more effectively. Teachers can design and produce engaging and interactive educational lessons that captivate their students and enhance the learning experience. And students can bring their creative ideas and academic projects to life in visually stunning ways, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation for the subject matter. The playing field is finally being leveled, empowering individuals from all walks of life to share their stories and connect with the world through the power of video. You no longer need to be fluent in technical jargon or invest in expensive, specialized gear to create compelling video content. If you possess the ability to clearly describe your vision and articulate your ideas, you now have the power to bring that vision to life on screen. This monumental shift means we're about to witness a surge in diverse stories, fresh perspectives, and unparalleled creativity in the vast and ever-evolving world of video. The traditional barrier to entry has been effectively dismantled, paving the way for a new generation of video creators. We're undeniably entering a groundbreaking new era for visual content creation and consumption. One where absolutely anyone, regardless of their background or skill set, can realize their potential and become a successful video creator. It's an incredibly exciting and transformative time for storytellers everywhere, as the power of video is now truly within reach for all. So what is generative AI video? Think of it as a super fast, talented film crew inside your computer. Instead of scripts and storyboards, you just type what you want to see. The AI reads your prompt and generates video from scratch. No editing old clips, just pure creation. The results can look like they were shot with pro cameras. The AI understands your words, context, and even mood, then turns them into moving images. Text becomes video, simple as that. Want a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars? Just type it in. No film school required. If you can write a sentence, you can make a video. This technology puts professional video creation in everyone's hands. Your ideas, visualized instantly. Ever wondered how AI video generators actually work? Let's peek behind the curtain and demystify the magic behind these innovative tools. We're going to explore the core processes that enable AI to create videos from seemingly thin air. At their heart, AI video generators use sophisticated machine learning models. These models are the engine that drives the entire video creation process, allowing the AI to understand and interpret various inputs. These models are trained on massive datasets, often consisting of millions of images, videos, and text descriptions. This extensive training is crucial for the AI to learn the intricate relationships between language, visuals, and motion. Through this training, they learn how words connect to visuals and motion, enabling them to translate textual prompts into dynamic video content. The AI essentially learns to see the world through data. The most common type is text-to-video, where the power of AI truly shines. With text-to-video, you describe a scene using natural language, and the AI builds it from scratch, generating a video that matches your description. It's like having a virtual director at your fingertips. For example, if you input a golden retriever puppy playing in a field of flowers, the AI knows what a golden retriever, a puppy, a field, and flowers look like. It understands the action of playing and animates it all together to create a coherent and visually appealing video. Beyond text-to-video, there's also image-to-video, another fascinating application of AI in video creation. With image-to-video, you simply upload a photo, and the AI brings it to life by adding subtle or dramatic motion, creating a dynamic video from a static image. And let's not forget video-to-video, a powerful tool for transforming existing footage. With video-to-video, you upload a clip and then use a prompt to transform its style, setting, or even the objects within the scene. The possibilities are virtually endless. In essence, these tools empower you to generate entirely new videos, animate existing content, or completely reimagine footage in ways that were previously unimaginable. Ultimately, it's all about turning your creative ideas into captivating moving images with incredible speed and efficiency. Best of all, you don't need any technical expertise to harness the power of AI video generation. Simply describe your vision, upload your assets, or provide a creative prompt, and watch as the AI brings your ideas to life before your very eyes. AI video tools are powerful, but not perfect. The biggest strength? Speed. You can create a video in minutes, not days. They're accessible, no pro skills needed. You can make scenes that would be impossible or too expensive to film. AI can even help spark new ideas when you're stuck. But there are speed bumps. Sometimes the results are odd, strange artifacts, weird motion, or inconsistent characters. Fine control over details is still limited. The AI interprets your prompt, but it can't read your mind. The good news? The tech is improving fast. Today's quirks may be gone tomorrow. Don't let the limitations stop you. Think of this as the early days of a tool that's only getting better. The future is bright for AI video. So which AI video tool should you use? It depends on your needs. Popular platforms include Runway, Pika Labs, Kyber, and Synthesia, each with unique strengths. Runway offers lots of creative control and features. Pika Labs is known for its user-friendly interface and great character animation. Some tools focus on avatars or artistic visuals, others on realism. Try free trials, experiment, and see which fits your style and budget. Check out what others are making to get inspired. So, what's the secret sauce to creating truly exceptional AI videos? What separates the stunning visuals from the mediocre? It all starts with great prompts. The better your prompts, the better the generated video will be. Think of it as giving the AI a detailed set of instructions. Don't be vague, be specific. Instead of a simple, generic prompt like car driving, try something much more descriptive and evocative like vintage red sports car speeding along a coastal road at sunset, aerial shot. The more detail, the better. Use vivid adjectives to paint a picture with your words. Think about the feeling you want to evoke. Specify style, camera angles, and shot types to guide the AI's visual choices. Do you want a close-up, a wide shot, or a bird's-eye view? Consider lighting and mood to set the tone. Is it a bright sunny day, or a dark mysterious night? Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts to see what works best for your vision. Tweak and refine until you get the results you're looking for. Once you have your clips generated, the real magic begins. Basic editing helps transform raw footage into a compelling story. Trim away any unnecessary footage to keep your video concise and engaging. Carefully arrange your clips in a logical order to tell your story effectively. Add transitions between clips for a smooth and seamless flow. Dissolves, fades, and wipes can all add visual interest. Add music to set the mood and enhance the emotional impact of your video. Incorporate sound effects to boost impact and create a more immersive experience for your viewers. Many AI tools let you upload your own audio tracks, giving you complete control over the sound. Or, if you prefer, generate audio automatically using the AI's built-in capabilities. Color correction can unify your clips, balance the visuals, and enhance the overall look and feel of your video. Keep your style consistent throughout your video to create a cohesive and professional look. Maintain consistency across all your prompts and edits to establish a strong visual identity. These small touches are what transform raw AI-generated footage from looking artificial into polished, professional content that captivates your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and styles. The possibilities are endless. Remember, refinement is a crucial part of the creative process. Don't be afraid to iterate and make adjustments until you're satisfied with the result. The more you play around with the tools and techniques, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. The more you play, the better your results will be, guaranteed. It's all about bringing your vision to life, your way. Who's using AI video? Marketers, teachers, students, creators, filmmakers, everyone. Marketers make quick, eye-catching ads and product demos. Small businesses create pro videos without big budgets. Teachers and students use AI for engaging lessons and presentations. Content creators get unique B-roll, music videos, and visualize abstract ideas. Artists and filmmakers experiment with new forms of expression. Even companies use AI for training and internal videos. Advanced users can chain tools together or sync video with music for more control. The barrier to video creation is gone. Don't wait for perfection. Jump in and start experimenting. The future of video is open to everyone. Go create something amazing.